Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on the topic summer vacation. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, summer vacation is a break from academic studies. Second line is, often it lasts for a few weeks or months. Third line is, many people travel during their summer vacation. Fourth line is, it is a time to relax and recharge. Fifth line is, summer camps and programs are popular for children. Sixth line is, beaches and amusement parks are popular vacation spots. Seventh line is, it is a time to spend with family and friends. Eighth line is, people enjoy a lot in socializing. Ninth line is, many cultural and sporting events take place during the summer vacation. Last line is, summer vacation is a time to make memories that lasts a lifetime.